today, y'all, we're going to make pickled lemonade. Y'all come on, and I'm going to show you how to take this and make a pickle lemonade. Let's see how it turns out. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to zest just a little bit of my lemon. Just for some decoration on top of my lemonade. So now we're going to cut our lemon. And I'm going to use a whole lemon for this quart jar. It's real juicy. So it's going to be great lemonade. I'm going to go ahead and de-seed my lemon. I don't want all these seeds in my drink. Now, I made a video the other day of strawberry cream lemonade. Y'all need to go watch that one and give it a try. It was delicious. We've been doing a lot of these drinks while it's so hot here in the summer. And once it starts cooling down, we might do a lot more of like coffee type drinks. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our lemon to our mason jar. And we're going to take this and squeeze our lemon real good till we get a lot of the juices out of the lemon. Okay. Look at all of our lemon juice we got. And now at this point, you would probably add white sugar, but we're trying to stay away from white sugar, so we're going to add our stevia drops. Probably about, I'd say for a quart jar, we're going to add around 20 drops this time because we're adding pickle juice. We're going to fill it up full of ice. And now we've got to open up these pickles. Now these are pickles we got at Aldi's. You can use any kind of pickles, but these are a real good brand of pickles that they carry. So we're going to use some of the pickle juice out of these pickles. So now let's pour some of the brine pickle juice in our measuring cup. We're going to use around 1/4 of a cup of our brine out of our pickles. Now this sounds like a weird drink, but I hope y'all give it a try. And now we're going to fill the rest with water. Now we're going to put our lid on it, and we're going to give our pickle lemonade a mix. I'm going to take the top off, and y'all look how that is already fogging up. It's so cold with all that ice. We're going to try this glass and see how it works out. Pickled lemonade. Look how pretty that lemonade is. Oh, y'all, that's good. So if you've never tried pickle lemonade, you need to give this one a try. So there y'all go. We made pickle lemonade. Okay, y'all, that's pickle lemonade. It's lemonade with a little twist. I hope y'all give this one a try. It's a winner. Thanks for watching.